As a leading supplier of used and new vehicles in China, Autoking strives to meet global customers' various procurement needs. The video shows several Dongfeng 8x4 DFH3310A26 dump trucks that will be exported abroad. To meet local usage needs, our professional technical team provides customers with high-performance customization services without changing the original power system of the vehicle, such as changing the position of the cockpit, strengthening the chassis layout, etc. The load-bearing capacity and passability are greatly improved, and they can cope with almost any harsh working conditions. If you have any needs or questions, please get in touch with us Autoking.